When do you really need a trust? Hi, I'm Neil Tyra. I'm an estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland, and I do estate plans for regular folks like you and me. This is a subject we've discussed quite a bit, but we keep getting questions over and over again about when do I really need a trust? So I'm going to give you the three top reasons why you might want to use a revocable living trust as the centerpiece of your estate plan as opposed to a simple will. The number one reason for using a revocable living trust is if you have real estate property owned in multiple states. So if you have a home here in Maryland, a beach house in Delaware, and a vacation home rental in Florida, that means if you get hit by a bus, your family has to open an estate in all three states. If you have a trust, you put all those properties in a single trust, and it simplifies the process greatly. So that's the number one reason why people would want to think about using a revocable living trust. The second reason has to do if you want to spread the inheritance out over the course of time, say to your children. Okay? With a will, your children get all the money all at once, and that may not be a good idea in some cases. So if, as a parent, you want to spread that out and give them some money when they reach a certain age or some life event occurs, like graduating from college, and then maybe a second installment a little further down the road. The only way to do that is with a trust, because as I said, a will, they get the money all at once. So that's the second most important reason, and the one, frankly, that most young parents choose because they have very young minor children. We don't know what type of adults they're going to turn out to be. And so we want to hedge our bets and make sure that they don't get everything all at once and spend it on that red Corvette. The third reason is that you want to use the trust to manage your own end of life situations. So if we get to the point in our lives where we're unable to take care of ourselves, we want somebody to be able to use our own resources to be able to provide for our own needs, such as paying for an assisted living facility or paying for our mortgage or what have you. When you have a trust, you can have a successor trustee that takes over once you become incapacitated, and that person now can use your trust for your benefit. Okay? So again, those are the three primary reasons for why you might want to consider using a revocable living trust. If you want more information about the choice between a will or a trust, our information is at the end of this video, and we'd love to have a chance to talk. Again, my name is Neil Tyra. I'm an estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland, and I do estate plans for regular folks like you and me.